Welcome to CA Fun. Hello everybody. Today we came to the beautiful park and we're gonna see the bird show and a lot of animals, so stay with us and enjoy. We need to go faster. Let's go faster, straight. Look at this flamingo, Cyrus! The name of this bird, flamingo. Let's choose a seat and enjoy the bird show. This bird is called parrot or macaw. Did you know that these birds are third smartest birds in the world? And this is an eagle. Let's watch this one more time. This bird called hornbill. And these beautiful birds is the lovebirds. They called lovebirds because they are choosing one partner for life. Let's play with the smart birds. Now it's Ariel's turn. Uh-oh, this time wrong. And this one is a great parrot. It's so smart. It can remember over 100 words. Sheep. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, brother John? Rabbits. Okay, try to catch it. Try it. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Oh, you cover them like with a blanket, yeah?
Stay, вместе.
Oh, they're friends. Yeah? Kids, write in the comments what animals you love the most. Thank you. Like and subscribe to watch more videos of CA Fun. Bye bye.